Alright, so we're going to attempt to see, well, not we're going to attempt, we're going to raise up the car and see if we can see what the exhaust leak is, because it keeps causing a misfire. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it is the O2 sensor bung or bungs, if they are in, and if it's not in, then that's even more of a problem. But yeah, so we are gonna do that. So we just got to get the car in. And I'll actually be showing you guys how we get the car in, because I showed you guys how I get the car out. So I don't really have anything else to do, or that I can do currently. So this video is going to be me checking the air filter and the intake. So you guys know that we have the AFE intake in the trunk. So I'm just gonna let this thing out. Hold on a second. Gotta take that thing off, and I do not want to break that, so let me do it the right way. Actually, maybe a good idea to grab the vacuum and like vacuum off those leaves and stuff like that. So, you know, I'll do that. Give me a second. Yeah, there's a lot of dust in this thing. God damn. All right, intake is installed. So, you know, a little bit of dope. Oh, I forgot I gotta definitely, actually no, I just don't gotta touch the steering wheel because it's Alcantara, and we do not touch Alcantara with dirty hands. I'm gonna put the cover back on and call it a day. But I believe what could also be causing the random misfire is the leak. So in the plenum, most likely one of the gaskets are misseated. So I think what we're gonna have to do is have John at Axion or whoever take the plenum off, look inside, see if one of the gaskets just got like shifted over, or if the gasket light came off. And if it did, you just put something called like Permatex, the sealant on it, so it's fully sealed, and then that's it. Like the quick setting one that takes like 90 minutes. But yeah, let me put the thingy back on, and that you guys can hear the skip and stuff like that, because it's more than likely that plenum. But yeah.